They claim to help clean up your credit, but the feds say they were breaking the rules. All new this morning. Joe lets you know one thing credit repair companies are not allowed to do.
Lexington Law Group and CreditRepair.com accused of charging illegal upfront fees and using several lead generators that misled people into signing up. According to the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, some potential clients were either guaranteed or told they had a high chance of qualifying for loans and housing by using the companies. Investigators say representations likely to mislead consumers. The companies also had clients pay up to $130 in monthly fees for credit repair, according to the CFPB. The federal rules only allow for payment 6 months after promised results have been achieved. In a statement, a company spokesman tells us, "We disagree with the allegations in the complaint, and we will vigorously defend ourselves." Remember, you can check your credit report for free. Look for errors, and then you can dispute them yourself for free. You don't have to pay somebody to do that. Go to abc15.com/letjoeknow for more on how to raise your credit score and look for credit errors. I'm investigator Joe Ducey. If you got a problem, let me know.